Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce SEO costs with Moz, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by creating a Moz account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Moz dashboard. Navigate to the Keyword Explorer tool. Enter a keyword or phrase relevant to your business. Click on the search button to analyze keyword options. Review the search volume and difficulty scores for your keywords. Select keywords that have a balance of high search volume and low competition. Next, go to the Site Audit feature. Enter your website URL and start the audit. Wait for the audit report to generate. Analyze the findings, focusing on issues that could be affecting your SEO costs. Look for opportunities to improve site health, such as broken links and page speed issues. Resolve any critical issues first to save on costs. Then, check the Link Explorer tool. Enter your website URL to analyze backlinks. Identify any low-quality backlinks that may be harming your SEO efforts. Disavow or remove these backlinks to improve your site's credibility. Next, use the On-Page Grader tool. Enter the URL of a specific page you want to optimize. Review the recommendations for title tags, meta descriptions, and content quality. Make necessary adjustments based on the tool's suggestions. Now, go to the Rank Tracking feature. Set up keywords you want to keep an eye on. Monitor your rankings regularly to gauge the effectiveness of your strategies. Utilize the insights gained from your tracking to optimize future content. Consider using Moz resources, such as blogs and webinars, for continuous learning. Adjust your strategy based on industry trends and Moz content updates. Finally, regularly revisit your Moz dashboard to stay updated on your SEO performance and costs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.